For this compromised barrier case study, my ingredient focus centers on hydration, inflammation control, microbial balance, and barrier support, beginning with home care. Sabrina's case study was sponsored by Neogenesis. Her home care included performance serums and moisturizers, including Neogenesis S2RM technology, which stands for stem cell release molecules. These bioactive signaling molecules derive from human stem cells and fibroblasts. Rather than exfoliating or stimulating aggressively, they function as cellular messengers, signaling skin cells to reduce inflammation, increase repair activity, and improve overall resilience. In Sabrina's routine, I use recovery with a 70% S2RM technology for higher level repair support, and skin serum with 20% S2RM for daily maintenance and skin stability. These formulas are supported by glycerin and sodium PCA, which attract and hold moisture into the skin, and ceramides, which strengthen the barrier and reduce water loss. Another key component of this case study is Hypo21, a pure hypochlorous acid spray. Hypo21 stands apart due to its additive-free, stabilized formulation at a skin-neutral pH. It helps reduce bacteria commonly associated with eczema flares while maintaining non-stinging and safe for compromised skin. In the treatment room, calming and hydrating ingredients support the same goals. Turmeric for its anti-inflammatory support, licorice root reduces redness, calamine relieves itching, centella asiatica calms and supports healing, amino acids support hydration, and beta-glucan soothes and protects the barrier. This ingredient strategy was designed to reduce inflammation, improve hydration, support barrier repair, while minimizing risks and eczema flare-ups.